Hello, beautiful audience. We are glad to have you guys back on this channel once again. And just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is Blessing Godwin TV. And guys, on today's video, we are taking you live at the construction site of the Overpass flyover in Aroma, in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And to say it the way it is, there has been tremendous progress on this construction site at the moment. I mean, a lot is going on at this construction site right now. And I'm going to show you guys what is happening at this construction site so that we all go through it together. And if you look closely around this area, you would notice there are rods that are being formed already. Yes, these rods you are seeing here that are being formed are going to be for the pillars that would carry the bridge. So over here, they have commenced the forming of these rods already. Also on this same video, I'm going to take you guys around this site so that you also see where they are already dredging the ground and to make space for where these pillars would stand. Yes, dredging of the pillar stands have also commenced, and that is why you can see that they are already forming the rods. So this means that where these rods are going to be positioned, they have commenced dredging those positions already. It is going to be interesting to see how the machine is dredging these holes and also how the sands are being packed out from the holes. You would love to see the process at which these contractors are engaging the dredging and the removal of the sands from the underneath the earth. And also you would see them taking samples of these dredged sands so as to know what lies beneath the surface of the ground, and at the same time to test the strength of the soil beneath the ground. So this whole process is so very interesting that I would love you guys to watch this video to the end so that you would see what is going on this construction site. So if you look closely around here, you would notice the excavator is already shifting the sands that is being removed from beneath the ground. So this machine you are seeing over there is the machine that lies. It is the dredging machine. Yes, that's the machine that dredged the ground to make the space where they would fix those pillars that would carry the overpass bridge. So as you keep watching this video, you also see how the sands are being removed from beneath the ground, and also if you look closely, you will see this excavator or packing away the sand into a truck. So this sand that is being lifted into this truck is the same sand that is being dredged from beneath the ground so as to make space for the pillars stand. And also don't forget that the company that is in charge of this construction is the GELD Construction Company, and these guys have been doing just good in Anambra State lately. Yes, they have been their performance when it comes to road constructions has been superb. So if you look at the dredging machine over there, you would see that it has just removed some sand from the ground. Yes, that box you are seeing there is the box that actually goes beneath the ground, dredge, pack out the sands and then pour them out here. while the excavator packs the sands that it removed from the ground into the truck that you are seeing that is being loaded over there. So guys, work is actively going on at the construction site of the overpass bridge in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. And you can see that the engineers are all on ground. Yes, all hands are on deck right now to see that this bridge is duly completed before time. So yes, we are still live at the construction site of the overpass bridge in Aroma in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And if you look at the surrounding, you would notice that we are at the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. So looking at what is happening here right now, this road you are seeing here leads to Amenyi. Yes, so the road is going to link from this side, which is the Amenyi axis, and it is going to cross over also to the other side of the road, which links to Ifite. So the dredging machine is going back to the ground right now. You can see the process at which they are doing it. They are filling the ground with water, and at the same time the dredging machine will be going down gradually, and then also as it rotates, it's dredging the ground already, and it will also pack out sands that it dredged and then bring them out to the ground. So over there is the Ifite axis where it will connect to by the time they are done. So you can also see the rods. Yes, this is the pillar rods that is being formed. So the thing is, this overpass bridge is going to really look amazing by the time these contractors are done with the construction of the bridge. And also don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment on this video. Let's hear your comments. Let's hear what you think about this construction that is going on right now at the Aroma axis of Awka City. Let's know what you think about the governor of Anambra State, that is Governor Charles Soludo, when it comes to construction and development in Anambra State. Let's hear what you think about the whole constructions that are going on within Anambra State at the moment. What do you rate the governor, Wes? How do you rate him? Do you think he's doing well, or do you think he's just doing good, or do you think he's the best? That is left for you to decide. So right now we are still at the construction site, and you can see the dredging machine very busy dredging the holes where the pillars of the overpass bridge would stand. You can see the truck has been filled already and it is going away. So probably another truck is going to come replace it, while the excavator keeps moving away the sands that are being removed from the ground. So let's see what it is going to do now. You would see how it will remove this sand again and then pour it out for the excavator to actually remove away. So this is actually what is going on at the construction site of the overpass bridge in Aroma axis of Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And this is coming to you live and direct from the stables of Blessing Godwin TV. So you can see what is happening over here. The dredging machine is going to come out again, and then you would see how it would as in how the engineer would open up the box, and then you will see the sands that will be removed from the box. Yes, it is coming again to drop out the sand that is being dredged from beneath the ground level. This is a very, very amazing machine that we got over here. So he's going to go open the box, and then would have the sands being poured out again. Yes, you can see the sands that are being poured out from beneath the ground. Yes, this is how how it will continue until it gets to the depth that they actually wanted it to get to. So what I'm saying in essence is that the GLD construction company are actually delivering a very quality job on ground, because these guys are out here doing it the right way it should be done. You can see the dredging machine going back into the ground again to continue dredging. So this is what is happening at the Aroma axis of Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. And you would see them already taking samples of what was brought out from the ground. Yes, you can see one of their staffs picking up samples to know what we have over there, and also to know what kind of deposits we have beneath the ground. Yes, this is the GLD construction company constructing the overpass flyover at the Aroma axis of Awka. And you can also see the surveyor taking survey of the location. So all hands are on deck right now. The GLD are actually doing what they know how to do best, and at the same time, kudos to them, and also kudos to the Anambra state government, kudos to the Soludo's administration, kudos to all the people that are involved in seeing that Anambra is actually developing. Truly, all of these projects are going to, by the time they are done with, Anambra and Awka is going to actually have a new face. Guys, a lot of projects are going on in Anambra State at the moment. When I say a lot of projects, from flyovers to overpass bridges to fun cities to government house and governor's lodge, a lot of developments, road constructions here and there. Frankly speaking, Anambra have not had it in this manner before. And this is a very, very good development from this administration of the Soludo. And he's already writing his name in the book of history in Anambra State. As far as I'm concerned, Soludo is actually doing just very well in Anambra State at the moment. Yes, but if he continues with this tempo, by the time he does 8 years in Anambra State, Anambra would actually change completely and entirely. So you can see what is happening at the construction site of the overpass flyover in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. And just in case you have watched up to this point, I would love to say thank you so very much. Please subscribe to this channel just in case you have not subscribed already. Comment on this post. Let's hear your thoughts. Let's hear your ideas. And also give this video a massive thumbs up. Remain blessed also, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Bye for now, guys.